everyone, I'm gonna show you how you can get the best crystal clear audio in Adobe Premiere Pro in less than 2 minutes. This can work for any video that you have. Once you have your video onto your timeline, you want to go under to the effects. Step number 1 is to add a hard limiter. So what this will do is basically, if you were to increase your volume, let's say by 10 decibels.
How many genders are there?
You can see that it peaks.
Don't think you could.
And we don't want audio to peak. So we go under to Effect Controls. We go under right here, Custom Setup, Edit. And then we move this to maximum amplitude to -7 decibels. I'd say the sweet spot is 5 to 8. Click X.
I think there's kind of infinite possibilities.
I don't know if you can notice a difference from the before.
How many genders are there?
I don't
Versus the after.
I think there's kind of infinite possibilities.
But as you can see, it's not peaking.
Okay, why?
Even if I would increase the volume by 10 decibels.
I think that
10 more decibels.
Obviously
we see that the audio is not increasing, and that's what we want. The next step to increase audio, make it crystal clear, is type in bass, drag it onto the audio clip, type in treble, drag it on, and then make this 5 each. 5 decibels and 5 decibels. This is what this sounds like.
That obviously in Western society, there's the idea that there are
So as you can see, the audio is peaking.
2 genders.
So now we're going to go back to the hard limiter. We're going to edit, and we're going to make this -10.
And I think that we're starting to break out of that with more.
So as you can see, it decreased the volume. So you would basically just make this a little bit lower, -5.
Or labels and terms existing for things like non-binary. But I think when you start to really break it,
so it doesn't peak as much, but this is what the before sounded like.
I think there's kind of infinite possibilities.
And this is what the after sounded like.
Or labels and terms existing for things like non-binary. But I think when you start to really break it down.
Let me know if you guys notice a difference. Comment down below. Subscribe to the channel for more video editing, photo editing, free do-it-yourself tutorials. I'll catch you in the next one.